Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Pokemon TCG Pocket game is not working. So the first thing we can do is just check our internet speed, because if internet speed is very low or if you have unstable internet, then that can be reason why you are facing this problem. So to check internet speed, simply open up any web browser and then simply search speed test, and then simply click on this run speed test button, and then it's going to show your internet current speed. And if your internet speed is less than 2 megabytes per second, it's mean your internet speed is very low and you need to change your internet provider to fix this problem. But if your internet speed is good and you're still getting this error, what you need to do is just hold on this Pokemon TCG Pocket app and then go to the settings page of this application. And after this, simply go to the storage option, and then from here simply click on this clear data option at the bottom, and then again click on this clear all data button. And once you click on that, it will clear the data of this application, and then you can try to reopen this game and then log in your account again and try if this working or not. And the last thing you can do is just go to the Play Store or App Store of your choice, and then simply search the Pokemon TCG Pocket, and then see if there are any update available. And if there are any update available, you can simply install or update the Pokemon TCG Pocket to latest version, and that will fix all the issues or error you have with your game. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.